In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the checkout page on your Wix site. A well-tailored checkout can reduce friction, collect exactly the information you need, and improve conversions. Let's walk through it clearly from your Wix dashboard. First, open your site's dashboard and head to Settings. You'll find it in the main navigation panel. This is where all your store controls live, including what customers see when they're paying. Inside Settings, look for Checkout. Click it to open your checkout settings. This area lets you manage the details customers must provide at purchase, ensuring your process matches your business needs without overwhelming buyers. On the checkout form section, you'll see options related to the fields shown during checkout. This is the hub for customizing the form your customers fill out. To make changes, click Edit. That opens the checkout form composer where you can adjust the layout, wording, and which fields appear. Inside the editor, you can add elements by clicking the plus icon. This brings up a selection of common fields you might need. Keep usability in mind as you build. Ask for only what's necessary to fulfill orders and support customer service. Fewer fields usually mean faster checkouts and fewer abandoned carts. For example, drag and drop the company name element onto the form if you sell to businesses or need business details for invoicing or tax purposes. Place it where it naturally fits with your other contact or billing fields. You can also fine-tune the label and help text so customers understand exactly what to enter. Clear labels reduce errors and support a smoother experience. If that information is essential, make the field required by selecting the Required Field option. Use this thoughtfully. Required fields should directly support order fulfillment, shipping accuracy, legal compliance, or customer communication. If a field isn't crucial, leave it optional to keep checkout quick and friendly. Continue refining until the form reflects your workflow and brand tone. Consider the order of fields, the clarity of your labels, and the balance between collecting useful data and maintaining a fast, simple path to purchase. Aim for a clean, logical flow from contact details to payment so customers never have to stop and think about what comes next. Once you're happy with your changes, click Save. Your updated checkout form is now stored and will be applied based on your site's settings. That's it. Your checkout is customized and ready to support a smoother, more effective buying experience for your customers.